Have you ever wondered why some people work hard their entire lives, yet never feel financially secure? Why the money comes in, but somehow disappears before the month ends? Most people think it is because they do not earn enough, but the truth is far more surprising. Many people stay broke not because of their income, but because of silent financial mistakes they repeat every single day without noticing. Today, you are going to uncover those mistakes, and once you see them, you cannot unsee them. These are the patterns that quietly hold people back from the financial freedom they deserve. So, stay with me because this might be the most important money conversation you have all year. Money is emotional, money is personal, and personal finance is not just about numbers. It is about behavior, choices, habits, and the way you respond to life when nobody is watching. The truth is that most financial problems do not start with a big disaster. They start with small decisions repeated over time. It is like a tiny leak in a boat. At first you ignore it, then the water rises, and before you know it, the whole boat is sinking. Let us talk about the key mistakes people make with their money and how you can avoid them starting today. 1. Spending without a plan. One of the most common mistakes is living without a plan for your money. When you do not tell your money where to go, it decides for you. And it usually disappears into things you do not even remember buying. Think about this. When was the last time you tracked your spending for a full month? Most people guess their spending, and that guess is usually far from reality. A simple monthly plan can transform your financial life, not because it restricts you, but because it gives you clarity. Clarity builds confidence, and confidence brings control. 2. Ignoring emergencies. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, medical bills appear, jobs change, and yet millions of people live with zero emergency savings. So when something unexpected happens, they are forced into debt. Imagine walking a tightrope without a safety net. That is what living without an emergency fund feels like. You might be doing great, but one small slip can set you back for years. Just starting with a small amount each month can create the safety net you need. 3. Relying too much on debt can feel harmless in the beginning. It gives you access to things you want right now. But over time, it becomes a cage made of interest payments and monthly obligations. Credit cards, car loans, buy now, pay later offers. These things drain future income before you even earn it. That makes it harder to invest, to save, and to build any real financial foundation. Using credit responsibly is important, but depending on it is dangerous. Every financial journey becomes easier the moment you remove unnecessary debt from your life. 4. Living above your means. Many people fall into the trap of spending money to look successful instead of becoming successful. They buy to impress. They spend to feel validated. They upgrade their lifestyle before they upgrade their income. But true wealth grows in silence, not in showing off, not in keeping up with anyone else. The people who look wealthy are often struggling behind the scenes, while the people who are actually wealthy are quietly building their future. If you focus on stability instead of status, your money will grow much faster. 5. Not investing early. One of the biggest mistakes is waiting too long to invest. Many people tell themselves they will start when they earn more. But money grows with time, and the earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Even small amounts grow into something big when given enough years. Waiting is expensive. Time in the market beats timing the market. Investing is not only for the wealthy, it is how people become wealthy. 6. Lack of financial education. Most people learn about money through trial and error, and that is an expensive way to learn. Think about it. We spend years in school learning subjects we never use, yet nobody teaches us how to manage money. So we grow up guessing, hoping, copying the habits of people who are struggling themselves, reading a few books, listening to financial educators, learning about basic investing. These simple steps can take you decades ahead of the average person. Knowledge is wealth, literally. 7. Avoiding hard financial truths. Some people stay financially stuck because they avoid facing their reality. They do not want to look at their bank balance. They avoid checking bills. They postpone fixing financial problems until they become urgent. But the only way to take control is to confront the truth. Knowing where you stand does not weaken you. It empowers you. Every financial transformation begins with a moment of honesty. If you recognized any of these mistakes in your own life, do not be discouraged. Awareness is progress. You cannot change what you do not understand. But now you do understand. And that gives you the power to choose differently. Your financial future is not determined by your past. It is determined by the decisions you make starting right now. Small changes lead to big results when you stay consistent. If you want more videos that help you build wealth, transform your mindset, and take control of your financial life, make sure you hit subscribe and join this community. Your life can change the moment you decide you are done repeating the same patterns. And today might be that moment. Let us build your wealth and your future, one good decision at a time. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share video to your friends.